Hello, this is your boy Miguel for the Mobile 757. You know, I get down and get straight to the point. Anytime you see an EcoTech or EcoBoost engine, and all you have to do is to tell you about the condition of your engine, is to let the engine warm up as this customer has done. Take off the oil cap. It should be a little bit of smoke coming out. There's a lot of smoke coming out of her vehicle. This engine is burning the oil inside itself. The engine is wore out. Anytime engines are over 100,000 miles with Chevys or anything EcoTech or EcoBoost, the engine is wore out. It's time to trade it in and move forward. And also, these engines do a lot of overheating. There's nothing that customers actually done. It's just the design is just the way it is. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share. Also, what we do is hit that super thanks button if you found any appreciation in the video. And what we do is we take the money and we help people that are in fortune and can't help themselves. Thank you.